Hello, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to install and make the first setup of Regystrum. All the operations I'm going to show you can be performed only by a super administrator user. So in order to install Regystrum, just access the dedicated page on the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is the one we see here right now. You have two options. You can either make the administrator's installation or the individual one. We are choosing the administrator's kind of installation that will enable Regystrum for all the users in the domain. And voila, it's very easy. Okay, it has been just installed. Now, the next step is to set the initial configuration, which is very easy as well. In the admin panel, we just need to choose the drive account that will be the repository. In this case, as I already made previous installations, it has been already chosen. And it is the same administrator's account, which is also a good choice after all. We recommend that you choose a trusted account and possibly enable two-factor authentication for it, because that drive will really contain all the files you store with Regystrum. In addition, this choice cannot be changed later on, so we really recommend you make a cautious choice. Then, of course, we select a language, and here in this checkbox, we can decide whether the users will be entitled to create a registration number in advance, respect the actual uploading of one or more files. Well, this is a choice which actually reflects the preferences and rules of the organization. And the administrator will make this setting accordingly. And then you can decide a standard prefix for your registration number, for instance, your company name. Now we save the setting, confirm, and it's done. After installing Regystrum, we might choose to install Regystrum for Gmail. This is just an option, of course. You don't strictly need to install this widget, but that will permit you to effect direct registrations from the Gmail interface. So Regystrum will work without this widget as well, but you are recommended to install it because it will be more comfortable for you to register files when they get to your inbox or when you have just sent those files by email. So the steps are the same as the ones we saw previously. And now let's see where the Regystrum icon appears in the Gmail interface. Okay, Gmail is loading right now. So in the vertical right-hand menu, you see the icon that will permit you to launch Regystrum after a first step of authorization. And it's done. Now you can already select an email and start to register and archive the desired files.